Now, one of the things I love about New York, Philadelphia, Boston, just major cities on the East Coast, is that you can see really old historical buildings with ivy. Like, how amazing is that to see a house covered in this green and beautiful stuff? Now, one of the things you might ask yourself is, will this damage my house? Well, ivy doesn't usually cause any damage. It supports itself by aerial roots, which may penetrate the joints and the cracks, but sound masonry will be unaffected. Now, where it can cause damage is on wood siding and in damp climates. Now, ivy does have some key benefits to buildings. It can act as a buffer between extreme temperatures and humidity, as well as reducing the severity of frosts. It is important to consider that there are pros and cons to planting ivy to cover your house. It can be an invasive species, so it's important to consider the stress that it will put on your structure. It's gonna grow up your walls, it's gonna cover the roof, and it's gonna cover and climb up any trees that are around your space. And also, like I always say, it's important to study. There's good species of ivy and there's not so great species of ivy. And there's always an option. If you don't want to grow it on the side of your house, you can put up an artificial structure that can hold pots that it can grow on so it won't touch your house. But if you decide to grow ivy in your house, it can be a beautiful addition to your facade. And always, there are faux options. I'm not against faux options. They make some amazing faux plants these days. So look into it. There's always an option for you. If you don't like real, there might be some fake options. And as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that little bell so you can get up-to-date notifications on any new videos that I decide to post. See you later.